Been a lot of questions surrounding the sudden resignation of State Health Director Robert Gordon back in January. Well, today he revealed a bit more about what happened as he testified before the State House. Grant Herm's live with what we learned today. Grant?
Well, the House Oversight Committee had tried a number of times to get Gordon to testify voluntarily, but today he was here after giving a subpoena. Now, while he didn't reveal much in his testimony, Republicans are still considering it a victory, calling the hearing today a bombshell.
For the first time, lawmakers and Michiganders hearing from former Health Department Director Robert Gordon about his abrupt resignation and $155,000 severance deal that came with a now lifted confidentiality agreement. Gordon detailing the day he resigned, saying he was called to a meeting with the governor's staff, Governor Whitmer attending via video.
When I arrived, I saw the governor and members of her staff. And the governor said to me, Robert, grateful for your service. I think it's time to go in a new direction.
Gordon's deal has been described by Whitmer's opponents as hush money or a sweetheart deal. One member of the committee today calling Gordon suspicious. But there was a new line of thinking from Republicans. What started as claims of hush money when the deal was discovered has shifted to questioning whether the deal described by the governor as routine may have broken the law.
It sounds like either you violated the Constitution or the administration did, or you did in fact have legal claims against the state, which you say you don't. Does that sound correct to you?
No, sir, it doesn't.
Democrats shooting back that question was better left to the courts.
It might be most productive if we actually let the judicial branch answer the question you've raised.
Despite the back and forth, Gordon saying his time as director was an honor.
I was honest. I was candid. I was willing I always tried to do the right thing. I always tried to do the right thing.
Now, it's unclear whether any laws were actually broken in that severance agreement, but it's worth noting that in the legislature on both sides of the aisle, those agreements have been used before, and they've totaled up to, at least in the past 5 years, according to one analysis, about $1 million. Devin?
And what are we hearing about the governor and her response to the testimony today, Grant?
Well, this is new actually from 4 o'clock. We didn't have a real statement from her. In just the last couple of hours here, her office said that Gordon and his team were important factors in the COVID-19 response. They're saying that they undoubtedly saved lives, but they didn't say anything about the severance package nor those claims from Republicans in the hearing today. Back to you.
All right, Grant.